everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fadila Salim and I from Bina Sarana Informatica University. I am here for a present about hardware, software, and operating system. What is hardware? As the physical part of a computer system, hardware includes all the components you can see and touch. Main category hardware. For the first, input device for enter data into the computer. Second, processing device for process data. A third, output device for display or produce information. And a fourth, storage device for storing data permanently or temporarily. Example of those main category of hardware components. For the first, input device. Examples: keyboard, mouse, microphone, and scanner. The second, processing device. Example: CPU and GPU. A third, output device. Examples: monitor, printer, speaker, and projector. And the last, storage device. Examples: HDD, SSD, RAM, and USB flash drive. Function of tools from the main hardware category. Input device. Keyboard for enter text and commands. Mouse for navigate and interact with graphical interfaces. Microphone for record sound. Scanner or convert physical documents into digital format. Processing device. CPU for the brain of the computer that executes program instructions. GPU for processes graphics and visual essential for gaming and design. Still in functions of tools from the main hardware category. Output device. Monitor for display visual information. Printer for print documents. Speaker for produce sound. Projector for displays image or videos on a large screen. Storage device. RAM for temporary storage for data currently in use, fast and volatile. HDD, permanent mechanical storage, large capacity, slower than SSD. SSD, permanent electronic storage, faster and more durable than HDD. USB flash drive, for portable storage. Difference between hardware and software. Hardware. Number one, hardware is the physical components of a computer that can be seen and touched. Number two, hardware focuses on physical device. And number three, hardware requires physical update. Software. Number one, software is intangible programs and instructions. Number two, software focuses on instructions and data executed by hardware. And number three, software updates are digital. The role of software in a device. In a device, software acts as a bridge between the user or brainware and the hardware. Software provides the instructions and data needed for the computer to operate, manages the hardware, and allows interactions with the user. Various software. Number one, software programming. Number two, software applications. And number three, system software. The role of major software types. Software programming. Used by developers to create other software. Examples: compiler, interpreter, and integrated development environment or IDE. Software applications. Designed to perform specific tasks for the user. Examples: word processors, Microsoft Word, spreadsheets, Excel, web browsers, Chrome and Firefox design applications, Photoshop. The role of major software types. System software. manages hardware resources and provides a platform for other applications. Examples: operating system, Windows, macOS, Linux, and device drivers. The role of system software: managing hardware resources, providing interface, providing basic services, being an application platform. Operating system, system software or operating system software. The operating system is a special type of program that loads automatically when you start your computer. The operating system allows you to use the advanced features of a modern computer without having to learn all the details of how the hardware works. The link between the hardware and you. The user makes the computer easy to use without having to understand bits and bytes. Various operating systems: Windows and Linux. OS advantages and disadvantages. Windows. First, very wide software and hardware compatibility, familiar user interface, extensive game support. Cons: vulnerable to malware and virus, requires more system resources, expensive licensing costs. Linux. Pros: free and open source, very flexible and customizable, good security, lots of distributions to suit your needs. Cons: steeper learning curve for new users. Software and hardware compatibility not as smart as Windows or macOS. Technical support relies on the community. Various operating system: macOS and Android. OS advantages and disadvantages. macOS. Pros: intuitive and elegant user interface, better security than Windows, stable and optimal performance for Apple devices. Cons: more limited software and hardware compatibility, fewer game choices, and expensive hardware. Android. Pros: most popular mobile operating system with a wide range of devices, large app ecosystem, flexible and customizable. Cons: version fragmentation that can lead to inconsistent features and security. Bloatware from device manufacturer, potential privacy and security issues. That's all from me. If there is anything lacking, please forgive me and thank you.